This video is about the excursion by the grade 10 of Kopkop College to come and visit the Ilimo Farm. Ilimo Farm is the only commercial dairy farm here in Papua New Guinea, launched back in 2018, and now we are here to see what they do to go about producing the dairy products that we see in most of the supermarkets here in PNG.
So I'll be your farming tutorial. I farm for assistant for today. So I think it's your first time to come at Ilimo Farm. Yes. So welcome to Ilimo Dairy Farm. So this is our farm where we grow our cows and we do the milking and we do the production for the milk for the market. So the first stop is we will be going to the milking area. So we're just lucky that we were able to catch the last set of cows for milking, and then after that we will be going to the nursery where they keep the calves and they grow them and prepare them for the mothers and for the milking, and then after that we will be going to the production area.
A station here on milking stage. They for these cows here they have the calves here, but in order to breed make the new baby cows, they import the semen from other countries, so they go through artificial insemination process to at least have a new baby cow or the calves, and then from there they look after them, and then they have a population of cow in preparation for the milk extraction.
Artificial insemination is basically an artificial process which they use in the farm to reproduce the cows. So it's basically when they take frozen bull semen and they inject it into the female cow's uterus in order for the female cows to reproduce. So for the baby calves that are reproduced, they have certain marks on their ears. So they have a yellow tag for the female calves and an orange tag for the male calves. So they eat mainly a combination of wheat, barley and soybeans, and all of this is imported from overseas, and they make a mixture. They also feed them with something called silage. Silage is basically fermented grass. So fermented grass is when they dry the grass and they ferment the grass so that it preserves the grass for longer periods, so that they can store it and feed the cows every day, which makes it easier for the people working on the farm. So when the farm first started out, they imported 500 cows from New Zealand. That's where Ilimo started from. With the breed of this cow that they use is the Holstein cow, the black and white cows. According to the people here at the farm, the black and white Holstein cows are the cows that produce the best quality milk.